Lumber explained in 2 minutes or less. 2x4, 2x6, 2x8, 2x10, 2x12, LVL, that's the nominal size. When you actually measure it, a 2x4 is actually 1.5 inches by 3.5. 2x6 is actually 1.5 by 5.5. It gets a little trickier when you get to 2x8, 2x10, 2x12. These actually drop down to the quarter. So this is 1.5 by 7.25. A 2x10 is actually 1.5 by 9.25. And a 2x12 is actually 1.5 by 11.25. 2x4s, we typically frame all of our interior walls in this. Some places in the country, you can still frame your exterior walls. Here, we frame all of our exterior walls in 2x6 or the 1.5 by 5.5. Can be used as headers, can be used as joists, but most of the time we are using these three as headers. These two we use as headers and joist. LVL are structural. So we predominantly use these for load-bearing beams and things like that. Can be used as headers and things like that as well, especially above like garage doors, etc. If you've ever wondered about your lumber identification, this SPIB right here, this is the grading authority. This is the company that actually grades the type of wood. When you look at the number 2, the number 2 actually represents that this is a number 2 grade of lumber. It goes from SS, this is typical structural. Number 1 is the best. Number 2 is what you're gonna see 95% of the time on a job site. And number 3 is the lowest grading. The difference in these grades is a lot of things. It can be how straight the grains are, how tight the grains are, knot placement, etc. Where it says prime right here, this says that it is of a higher quality within that number 2 grade. The KD right here, this represents kiln dried. The 19 says that there was 19% or less moisture within the board when it was done. HT right here says that it was heat treated. That is to treat for any kind of pest that could have been living within the wood whenever it was harvested. The 95 right here represents a unique identifier to the mill that it was milled in. The 95 is there so that if there is some sort of quality control issue, they can track it exactly to the mill that made the mistake, and then they can figure out why the mistake was made. These are different types of common woods that you will see. Here in the Midwest, you'll see SPF. This stands for spruce pine fir. That's a really common thing that we frame with. When you see SYP, that stands for southern yellow pine. This obviously comes, as the name states, from the southern states. And this is a really hard and sturdy wood, so we'll use that for a lot of structural members like our floor joists. And then in the Northwest, where I used to live, you'd see a lot of HF. That stands for hemlock fir, and that's like Doug firs and things like that. And so these are different things that you'll see in different places in the country. Here in the Midwest, we typically see SPF and SYP. If you have any other questions and you want me to break down lumber a little bit more, just leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe.